Market Momentum Insights, January-May 2025. The Surge Line. Momentum flow chart clearly highlights a market experiencing bursts of strong momentum, followed by quick cooldowns typical of a selectively bullish environment. Key observations clearly drawn from the data. Recurring momentum peaks. Momentum surges frequently exceed the long-term average, marked by the red line, suggesting periods of robust buying activity. However, these peaks are rarely sustained over consecutive days, indicating short-lived bullish enthusiasm. Hot weekday patterns. Tuesdays, Mondays, and Fridays consistently stand out as momentum days, suggesting traders often begin or end weeks with aggressive positioning. Recent momentum increase. Noticeable strength in recent days, particularly Mondays and Tuesdays in May 2025, hint at growing investor confidence as the market heads deeper into Q2. This could reflect optimism about upcoming earnings reports or macroeconomic conditions, mixed stability. While momentum surges are notable, periods between spikes reflect market caution, as traders remain selective and likely responsive to economic or geopolitical headlines.
Market heat summary. Total trading days analyzed, 100. Hot days, momentum above average 49, 49%. Cold days, below average 51, 51%. Top momentum days. Tuesday, 11 occurrences. Monday, 10 occurrences. Friday, 10 occurrences. Bottom line. The Surge Line, momentum flow chart indicates a market characterized by intermittent bursts of momentum, with notable activity on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Fridays. This pattern aligns with recent market developments, where investor sentiment has been influenced by earnings reports, trade policy shifts, and macroeconomic data.
Current market momentum. Highlights: tech sector resurgence. NVIDIA's recent earnings report exceeded expectations, reinforcing investor confidence in the tech sector, particularly in AI-related stocks. This has contributed to a broader rally in technology shares. Trade policy developments. The U.S. Court of International Trade's decision to block several of President Trump's tariffs introduced uncertainty, but the White House's plan to appeal has kept investors cautious. These developments have led to fluctuations in market momentum. Market performance. As of May 29, 2025, major U.S. stock indexes have shown modest gains. S&P 500, up 0.4% to 50912.17. Dow Jones Industrial Average, up 0.3% to 42,215.73. NASDAQ Composite, up 0.4% to 19,175.87. These movements reflect the market's response to recent earnings and policy news.
Market heat summary momentum days. The chart indicates that Tuesdays, Mondays, and Fridays are consistently high momentum days, suggesting strategic opportunities for traders on these days. Sector performance. Consumer cyclical stocks have shown strong performance, while energy sectors have lagged, indicating sector-specific momentum shifts. Investor takeaway. The market currently shows selective bullishness, driven primarily by momentum in specific sectors and ongoing policy developments. However, this bullishness appears episodic rather than consistently sustained, highlighting continued volatility. Investors are advised to closely monitor sector trends and key policy announcements to identify timely opportunities and effectively manage risk. Additionally, investors may benefit from observing weekday patterns, particularly early to midweek surges, as these represent potential short-term trading windows and strategic opportunities to adjust positions accordingly.
Disclaimers. Not investment advice. I may own, trade, or short any security mentioned. Trading involves risk of loss. All charts and metrics are produced in-house from public market data and current news. Full disclaimer. HTTPS. Notes, ideas, and thoughts. WordPress.com.